In this interaction session, we are truly honoured to have a distinguished alumnus of the Electronics and Communication Engineering Department of the Academy of Technology from the 2008 batch, Mr. Ranjay Kumar Singh. Mr. Singh began his professional journey with Wipro through campus recruitment, where he spent 3 enriching years. He then moved on to Accenture, Kolkata, where he continues to excel and inspire, now serving as Associate Manager. With over 15 years of expertise in storage and backup technologies, Mr. Singh is widely recognized as an infra delivery leader. His remarkable credentials include cloud certifications in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Gen AI, along with the Dell EMC Storage Technology Specialist certification. To add to this, he has also completed the prestigious executive program in global business management from IIM Calcutta.
Thank you everyone who is present in this call. So it is my privilege, as I stated earlier, so to connect here with all the AOTs. Uh, I was the second batch of this college, and we have seen how this college has grown from uh, here, here, here. During our time also, it was one of the best college, though it was new, but it was has a very good reputation in all the colleges. The way exams were conducted, it was very fair. During that time, we had uh, the exam centers in our own college with our own faculties doing the guard. But AOT was famous because the exams that we were taking was very fair. Okay, that's why we are very proud. Whoever student has passed from this college have gathered the knowledge. It's not something that they got for free. It's something they have gathered. They had got from the professor. So today's topic is generative AI and agentic AI. What is the industry requirement and what is there for you? Was what I understand. Mostly you guys are from the second or third year of the BTech. So you have time, you can learn the thing and then can accommodate accordingly. So just think of it. If you need something, you are just going to chat GPT or Gemini, you are putting your questions and it is giving the answer. Okay. And if you are having some difficulty to prepare your project, you need some idea, you need some coding, it can provide you. Let's say with GenAI, at the moment, it's helping you like that. And it is something which is work in progress. The companies like uh, Google, Meta, uh, Microsoft, everyone is putting lots of effort to build this GenAI so that it reaches a level where they utilize this more and more. Just the way it's growing. So you will see when you uh, are a graduate after completing your BTech, it will give you more and more. You can do lots of things with your AI. The bots that we are using, like Chat GPT or other tool like DALL-E, GitHub. Okay, so these are the generative AI tools which we can use to generate new content, which may be text, image, music, code, whatever. But at the back end, what is being done? So for GenAI, they make this tool learn a lot from the data. It's like you, right? At the moment, you are giving all the lectures on the different topics. You are getting all the pointers. And at the end of the day, when you complete your graduation, then you can use your all your learning for in the different sections which we will join. Maybe as a coder, you will write code. If you are in the engineering, you will design something like that. So generative AI like that. And if we come to agentic AI, so this is the thing which is now getting discussed more and more. So agentic AI is just one step ahead of Gen AI. What it does, it basically acts independently with a goal in mind and it has capacity to make a decision, which Gen AI is not capable of. But agentic AI can make a decision. It has a goal. Uh, just for example, if you see the booking, if you want to make some travel booking, earlier what we used to do, we used to check with our friends who has gone to visit some location, how they have gone, what is the cheap way. Then you will Google it, you will go to different sites to see what are the different prices, how is the weather and everything. But if you are using a proper agentic AI or a tool which has agentic AI in the backend, what you have to do, you have to only give what you want to do. It will do rest of the things for you. We can use AI in IT to generate codes. Okay, so we have different chatbots that can help us to generate codes. And if you are using the Microsoft Office, you will see there is an option that is integrated with a Microsoft Office by Microsoft is the Copilot. So again, it will help you in different things. If you see when you are writing email, you will get the prompt, the autofill. It's getting it's a short application of AI only. In the healthcare, AI can help us to detect the cancers much faster if we doing in the conventional way, and if you compare with the AI, it's much faster to detect the cancer. And also the drug discovery it can do very faster in the labs. In the finance, the AIs are used to flag the suspicious transaction. And also, if you have seen uh, from Airtel, right, and they are coming with the ad that if there is any call or the message which is spam, uh, then Airtel is developing the AI which will restrict the call, restrict the message. It will not uh, reach you. Okay, so these are the use case of AI. And if you come to retail, uh, I know most of us are using Amazon, Flipkart, and other shopping tool, right? So where if you see or when you log into the tools, they are already showing you the recommendation based on your search, what you have searched. Uh, they are doing the service. They are trying to know what you are uh, going to purchase. What is your view? Based on that, they will give you some personalized shopping experience. That is again the AI at the back end. If you come to manufacturing, if you see the factories, they have robotics. There are lots of applications which run at the back end, which IT companies support. So this is again where the AIs are going in. They are using robotics in the factories that is totally controlled by software. And where uh, in some of the factories you don't have any human.
We've got a few questions from the Google form,
Mm.
and can you share insights on the recruitment process, aptitude, technical, or interviews, and how students can best prepare for each stage if they want to, let's say, get a job in Accenture?
Uh, for recruitment, I don't know the current process because again they have different department which deal with this recruitment. So maybe your placement sale can help. But what guidance I can give you, whatever I know. So again, for the Accenture, the one thing is I think they have a cutoff marks for 10, 12 that you should fulfill for sitting in the Accenture recruitment aptitude test. So again, you have to put focus on reasoning. That is very important. And during any group discussion or interview, always be confident with your skills. Okay, try to put forward your best version. Uh, Majorly, what we look in a candidate when we take interview depend on the experience. But if we are taking an interview of any college pass out or any person who does not have any experience, we mostly rely on the attitude, the confidence, and how honest you are. That is the most critical thing. And how much adaptability you have, how faster you can learn. So that will be the important thing. Just focus on to build a good attitude, uh, have a positive environment around you, be a team player, and have confidence in you. That will play a very positive role when you take up any interview or any group discussion. And always try to take a lead. Never try to hide behind someone. Always take a lead.
His question is that between fine tuning our code or writing any prompts for LLM and RAG, then what should a building GenAI enthusiast focus on? It's his question.
So building a GNI, you need lots of things. So as a normal individual, you will not able to build any GNI because you have to get the model trained in lots of data. But what you can do if you go to any cloud platform or for example, Google has very good platform where they have some pre-built model that you can use to prepare some chatbot for your project and some other things as well. So you can use the existing models. If you want to train a model from the beginning, it's very costly. It will take lots of effort. So for an individual, I will not recommend it. But what you can do, go to the Google or any other platform, use the existing model, and you can build any app based on that or any bot based on that.
Well, thank you everyone for this engaging discussion and sparkling questions, thought-provoking questions. With that, we now move on to the last section, which is vote of thanks.
On behalf of Alumni Connect Cell and IEI Students Chapter of ECE Department, I take this opportunity to convey our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Ranjay Kumar Singh for delivering an insightful session and sharing his rich professional experiences in the field of AI. We express our sincere thanks to our Chairman Trustee Madam, Professor Anindita Banerjee, for her constant motivation and support. We are equally grateful to Professor Baishakhi Bhattacharya and our HOD, Professor Abhijit Banerjee, for their valuable guidance in facilitating this initiative. We also wish to place on record our appreciation for the continued mentorship of our faculty advisors, Professor Shubham Pramanik, Professor Pinak Pani Mukherjee, and Professor Kanishka Majumdar, whose support has been instrumental in making this seminar successful. A special word of thanks goes to our student volunteers for their tireless efforts and to all participants for your active engagement and thoughtful questions. We hope this session has sparked new ideas and curiosity, and we look forward to hosting you all again in our upcoming sessions under the Alumni Connect Cell and the IEI Student Branch ECE on current technological trends in IT industries and requirements in upcoming job markets and research trends in electronics and communication domains. Thank you.